In this video, I'm going to present the Marks proprietary sulfuric acid drain opener Shark Attack, our number 04100. I have many customers that get frustrated. They cannot find a drain opener that really does a good job opening clogged or slow-moving drains. They have tried many drain openers that are formulated to be used in applications where the clog is organic in nature, meaning that the obstruction is caused by grease, hair, paper, or other organic material, only to be disappointed with the results. Our part number 04100 Shark Attack is a professional grade sulfuric acid drain cleaner used primarily for emergency type drain opening. It is used when drains are usually completely clogged. Shark Attack is a highly concentrated sulfuric acid. It is heavier than water, so it flows quickly to the most blockages to open most drains and sewers clogged with almost any type of organic material. Again, these clogs include such materials as paper, cloth, grease, sludge, soap, fat, sanitary products, wood, hair, and all types of food. Shark Attack is used primarily to kitchen, lavatory, shower, and floor drains, as well as toilets. Shark Attack causes a significant rise in temperature when added to water. It will not harm septic systems or sewers when properly used for opening clogged drains. Shark Attack comes with a sealed, molded plastic quart bottle, complete with a handle for easy application. It also has a posi-lock seal and a child-resistant cap for additional safety. Our Shark Attack is sold in case lots of 12 quarts only and comes in its own internal plastic wrap bag for easy and safe handling and shipping. This is a Marks exclusive proprietary product. Thank you and good luck.